We are walking along Thessaloniki's historic waterfront. It's a pedestrian area a bit over than a kilometer long and includes a bikeway to the side. This time we will start outside the gate of the commercial port, past the Holocaust Memorial, and then proceed to Aristotelous Square, until we reach our destination, the city's landmark, the White Tower. Let's get started then. This walking tour is split into 4 parts. If you're interested in a specific section, feel free to skip ahead using the chapters we've created. This way, you can easily jump to the part you're most excited about. The Menorah in Flames is a sculpture created in 1997 by Nandor Glid as a Holocaust memorial commemorating the deportation of the Thessaloniki Jews. The sculpture, initially built in a suburban area, has been installed since 2006 on Eleftherias Square, Freedom Square, where a major roundup of 9,000 Jewish men took place in 1942. It was the first Holocaust memorial to be built on a public space in Greece, and its installation marks a change of attitude of Greek officials towards the remembrance of the Holocaust. The sculpture depicts a broken menorah, the 7-branched candelabrum that symbolizes Judaism, engulfed in flames. The entwined figures forming the flames represent the Jewish people who were murdered during the Holocaust. The memorial is a powerful symbol of the destruction of the Jewish community in Thessaloniki and the suffering of the Holocaust. There are plans for the renovation of the square. In the context of the redevelopment, the monument will be relocated to a new prominent position. Now we cross the street to begin the second part of our exploration. This is the commercial port. We have another video at this area which you can watch via a link in the description. As we said, there is a bikeway here, but there are 2 things you need to know about it. The designated bikeway is right next to the avenue with passing cars. The yellow lines you see on the pavement correspond to the old bikeway. The pavement now fully belongs to the pedestrians. There are plans, though, that this narrow area will be expanded with a wooden deck along the way in the future. Please have in mind that this area can get really crowded in the warmer summer months. On our way to Aristotelous Square, which you'll see on your left soon, we have a small favor to ask. We hope you will find this video useful. It takes detailed planning and a long time to record, edit, and create this content. If our videos add value to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more. Your support helps us grow Bestravelvideo and ensures we keep bringing you top-notch content. For more travel destinations with details and photos, go to our dedicated travel page Bestravelvideo.com. When you explore this kilometer, you will be delighted to discover a vibrant atmosphere, as it is brimming with charming cafes, lively bars, and delightful restaurants. What makes this place even more special is the breathtaking view of the sea that accompanies your dining experience. As you indulge in the culinary delights offered by the various establishments on this area, you will have the opportunity to feast your eyes on the majestic Mount Olympus, which stands tall and proud to the right. The sight of this legendary mountain provides a captivating backdrop that enhances your dining experience and adds a touch of grandeur to the ambience. One of the most appealing aspects is that the dining options available here are usually not overpriced. This makes it an ideal destination for those seeking a delightful culinary experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're in the mood for a cozy cafe, a trendy bar, or a delectable restaurant, you can rest assured knowing that you won't have to compromise on quality or affordability. So if you're looking for a place to enjoy a delightful meal or simply unwind with a refreshing drink, this area filled with cafes, bars, and restaurants with a killer sea view is the perfect choice. Experience the culinary delights, soak in the magnificent view of the sea, and catch a glimpse of Mount Olympus, all while savoring the moment and creating lasting memories. Before we talk a bit about the history of the square, have in mind that we also have a separate video that covers the area north to south. You can watch this too via a link in the profile. We have more walking tours in Thessaloniki, and even aerial videos with practical info about what to visit in the city. For your convenience, we have created a relevant playlist which you can find in the description tab. This video was recorded with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in 10-bit HLG and a stereo natural sound, so you can enjoy 4K HDR on compatible devices. Have you been there? Please share your impressions in the comments. We created this walking tour having you, the viewer, in mind. As we walk in the area in real time, this helps you see and understand how close or far away each point of interest is, and this helps plan your trip better. Aristotelous Square was designed by French architect Ernest Hébrard in 1918, although most of it was built in the 1950s. Many of the buildings surrounding the square have been renovated, and its northern parts were largely restored in the 2000s. The square is named after the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle and is dedicated to him. It is a popular gathering place for locals and tourists alike, offering a vibrant atmosphere and stunning views of the Thermaic Gulf. Aristotelous Square is known for its neoclassical buildings and a green park in the middle. It is lined with shops, restaurants, bars, and hotels, making it a lively hub of activity in Thessaloniki. Throughout the year, Aristotelous Square hosts various events, including concerts, exhibitions, and cultural festivals. During the Christmas season, the square is adorned with festive decorations, and a prominent illuminated ship-shaped metal structure is erected. The square is also a starting point for exploring other attractions in Thessaloniki, such as the White Tower and the paved promenade along the sea. Let's keep going and discover more of the charm and excitement that this area has to offer. If you have any further questions or need more information, please let us know. Stay tuned as we explore the rest of the area until we reach the White Tower.
Turn back again. You're like still.